It is going to be a dicey commute. Right now we're looking at this point, snow falling across parts of northern Colorado, and we have issued a first alert action day. And here's why. Heavy snow is going to roll in tonight through tomorrow morning. We have a winter storm warning going into effect at 8 o'clock tonight, and totals for Denver are likely at around 8 to 14 inches by midday tomorrow. So soak this in. We've got a little mix of sun and clouds right now. Beautiful shot over Denver. All is pretty quiet at this point, but we are already seeing, you can see on satellite and radar again, a little update here where we've got a little bit of snow already falling across parts of the northern plains from, it looks like north of Fort Collins as you get a little closer to that Colorado and Wyoming borders where we're seeing some light snow right now. It's going to stay pretty light through today. It's really going to be more so tonight that it starts to pick up in intensity. So look at the timing. And again, that's right around 2:30 to about 3 o'clock. You'll likely start to see more snow falling closer to Fort Collins, and then it's going to keep moving in really from northwest to southeast through late afternoon, early evening. That's at about 6:30, so it's going to be just across that northern and northwestern edge of the metro area. I would say up along 36 toward Boulder, you're going to start to see more of a wet road by about 6:30, and then it's going to start to fill in closer to Denver by midnight tonight. Heavy snow developing after midnight into early tomorrow morning. And this is going to be a huge issue. These northeasterly winds that pushes all that moisture up against the foothills. We get that insane upslope and then really heavy snowfall rates upwards of 2 to 3 inches in an hour. That is a lot of snow at one time. Temperatures will drop into the 20s early tomorrow morning. It's likely going to feel like single digits and teens. It's going to be really blustery across northeastern Colorado with almost blizzard-like conditions. I would not be surprised if we see some blizzard warnings issued early tomorrow for parts of northeastern Colorado. Now, 12 o'clock tomorrow, the heaviest snow will have shifted east, but we're still going to see some light snow here in town. It's really not going to taper off until Tuesday night and then clear out so that by early Wednesday morning, we're looking at some sunshine. Here's a look at, again, the alerts. This is mainly going to be from the Continental Divide east that we see some of the heaviest totals. You get west of it and it's closer to 3 to 6 inches, potentially a bit more above 10,000 feet. But these numbers up and through parts of Summit County, some of the ski resorts are really going to make out with this with a good 8 to 16 inches of snow. We will here in Denver be pretty close to that, right around 8 to 14 and then 6 to 12. But when you factor in those really gusty winds, you might get some snow drifts that are a couple of feet, up to a good 20 inches up and through the foothills. So this is going to be a big snowmaker, our biggest snowstorm of the season so far. 40s today, 20s tomorrow, and then things will start to dry out by Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday, Thanksgiving, you've got a much better travel day that day if you've got to travel in and around town. We do have, you guys, another chance for a little bit of snow on Friday, on Black Friday. It doesn't look like what we're seeing with this storm, but we might pick up another couple of inches or so in some spots.